look good on me? I need your help. He's like, no. They look awful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a different video. And it was kind of a last minute video. I wasn't sure if I was gonna film this or not. I had always heard of this brand called Warby Parker. And I had come across them mostly on Instagram. So I went on their website just to check it out. And I actually noticed that you can take a little quiz, which I did. Based on the results of your quiz, they narrow down some frames that would best suit you. So I received my package yesterday, and I was like, oh, I want to film this because I want to get your opinion, and I want to see, and maybe this video will be helpful to somebody else. I haven't really seen too many videos like this, so I hope this is of some use to someone out there who's in the market for some new frames. Now, these are my frames right here, and I have my contacts in, so it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable to put on. But these are my frames, and as you can see, they are a little bit long for my face shape in particular. Bro, come on. Okay, so this is my dog right here, and he's being super annoying. You have to be good or I'll send you back upstairs, okay? I'm gonna send him upstairs. So I feel like on me personally, those frames, the shape is flattering, but I just feel like they just don't quite fit my face. So he was crying while he was here. I brought him upstairs, now he's crying again. I swear, it's like having a child. It's a really cute box. It comes like this. And the website, the Warby Parker website, is so user-friendly. It's so organized, and it's just like, it's really high quality, honestly. So it comes with this little like handbook. It says your home try-on handbook. And it just has some instructions on how to send these frames back. So with the try-on frames, you have 5 days to try them on, and then you send them back before those 5 days are over. And on the first page here, it has some tips, and it says how to tell if a frame fits. So it says here that the pupils need to be near the center of each lens. Lenses don't extend past the sides of your face, which, as we saw, that's the case with my frames, that they do actually extend past the sides of my face. Eyebrows are above the glasses, and when you smile, your cheeks don't push up the frames. So let's see what I picked out. So I have my 5 frames right here, and let's go into the first style. Some of these will look a little bit similar because I was looking for a particular design and style. Specifically, I really want a pair of frames that are tortoiseshell or like the tortoise type of design. I think that's really classic and chic. So the first style that I got are the Welty. So they look like this. So these are the Welty. And I'm going to try these on. And that's what they look like. I hope the glare isn't too much. So these are the Welty. I actually am really digging these. I think these are so cute. And I think that they flatter my face really nicely as well. And from what I'm seeing, they don't extend past my face. My cheeks do hit them a little bit, but I really like these a lot. And I do have a heart-shaped face, and my face is a little bit on the narrow side, just for a reference. These are a little bit big for my face, but these are Welty. A lot of these are gonna look similar, so just bear with me. Okay, next up, I have Wilder, and they look like this. These are Wilder. Okay, let's try them on. Oh, I really like these too. They look a little bit similar to Welty, but they are a little bit of a bolder frame. And these are also really cool. They don't extend past my face either. So I really am digging these a lot too. And I have to say, the quality of these frames are really nice. So these are Wilder. Super cute. These are Wilder. Next up we have Oliver. They're Oliver. A little bit of a smaller frame, and also in the tortoise shell design. So these are Oliver. Oh my god, I like all of these. Honestly, I'm gonna have a hard time picking because these fit me so well. Like I said, these were all the picks based on my quiz results, and so far I have to say that the quiz was spot on with the results because these are so incredibly flattering. I am obsessed with these. Like, they fit my face so well. I'm honestly like a little bit shook. My cheeks hit them, and I have like really big cheeks, which is why I rarely smile or like do like smiling pictures because my cheeks are literally like chipmunks. But these are so cute. I think these might be one of my favorites, I have to say. These are Oliver. Oh yes, I really like these. I really like these a lot. These are super cute, and just, I don't know, like these just look really clean. Like they just look really nice and fresh. Next up, I have Daisy, and they look like this. These are a black frame. These are more of like a cat eye type shape, and these are actually much bigger than the other ones, the shape. I like these, but I don't think these flatter my face too much. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think if you have like a different face shape, these would be nice, but these are really beautiful as well, like really chic. I just feel like they are not my favorite. They're a little bit big for my face. I mean, they look cute, but I just feel like, I don't know, I like the other ones better, but tell me what you guys think in the comments. Okay, and the last style is called Wilkie, and all of the frames come in like these little plastic bags, and on the bag is the style name and the color. Oh, I think I'm gonna like these a lot, actually. Oh yes. Also a tortoiseshell design. Like I said, all of these are tortoiseshell except for Daisy. Daisies are a black frame, but these are tortoiseshell, and I really like these a lot. These are super cute. These are really flattering on my face. I really like these a lot. When you start the quiz, it'll ask you what your face shape is. And since I have a more narrow shape, they picked out frames specifically for a narrow face shape. So I find these so flattering. I've never tried on glasses that I like this much, and so many different styles that like just suit me so well. So honestly, the quiz is spot on. Another thing that really drew me to Warby Parker is that they are a very philanthropic company. Actually, for every pair of frames that you buy, they actually donate a pair to people or children in need around the world. So I think that is so amazing. And I really like companies that give back, and I am really mindful of where I purchase things because I do care about companies that do give back and are more tied into those types of philanthropic values. Now, the home try-on frames all came with this prepaid label, so I can easily send these frames back in the same exact box. So that's really cool. So I really like this company a lot. Once again, I am not sponsored or getting paid to say any of this. I genuinely just went on the website like last Wednesday, and I was like, Warby Parker, and then the rest is history. Here we are. Once again, guys, when you're shopping for frames, you want to make sure that you are looking for quality, for style, and for something that is going to last you for some years to come. Even though they say that plastic frames, you have to replace them ever so often, but these feel really good. The material feels really sturdy and nice. They look great. So I don't know, guys, I think I'm gonna have to buy these. I'm gonna have to purchase from this company because I don't know of any other glasses company that lets you literally try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you don't have to buy anything. Literally, I can send these back and not buy anything, and that's totally fine because the sole purpose is for you to try them on, risk-free, no commitment. The reason that I wanted to get new frames is because the frames that I have are really poor quality in my opinion. Like this part right here hurts so much in the back of my ear. So whenever you're shopping for frames, you really want to look out for how they fit and how they feel. And if they are leaving like really intense marks on your nose, which of course these do, they leave really intense marks on my nose. They hurt the back of my ear. So it's just like, I just need new glasses. I just need new glasses, girl. And these feel super lightweight. They aren't pressing down on my nose, and they are not hurting the back of my ear either. So I am feeling really good about this. I really am. So yeah. Also, one thing I wanted to add is that all of the frames are not ridiculously priced. I believe most of the frames and all of these frames that I tried on, all of them are about $95. So that's not bad at all. You know, a designer pair of glasses can run you from like anywhere from $150 to like $300 for the frames alone. So a little bit ridiculous, not including the lenses or anything. So these start at $95. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was kind of random and a little bit out of the ordinary for my channel, but I hope this was somewhat helpful and you know, you guys got to see some of the styles if you guys are interested or you want to see them on somebody else. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!